Hi, my name is Hussain Saifuddin, Head of ICT in Emrill Services. Emrill is total facilities management company. We are one of the largest in UAE and been having multiple facility domain and projects managed across multiple zones in UAE. So there were different type of journeys we used to have because we used to have multiple devices in our business. So of course it was difficult to manage multiple devices into a one MDM solution, and we do have silo systems for that, and also some Excel-based systems, which we now been moved out and into a centralized system, and we looked at that was the key area to select the MDM solution. Although there was no direct cost of MDM at that point because a lot of partner solutions which Emrill was been using, but on the same time there was a cost in terms of getting the devices, making sure the devices are coming into the IT department, gets updated, and then goes back and to the locations where they come from. So a lot of logistics were being applied, and I think that was a direct cost towards this whole management of the devices. After the solution, I think that's where it's all been changed because things have gone remotely. We were able to access and do things which we used to call people to come to the head office or the IT departments on the sites, whereas now these things have been managed remotely. Favorite feature, though my team can tell you more in terms of technical side of the products, but to me specifically it was more of a centralized dashboard, and on our command center we were able to actually display those dashboards in terms of where the locations are, how many assets are and where it's been placed, how many are in what status. All those things were earlier used to be a lot of questions to be asked by a lot of different team members, but now it's all in one place. I mean, productivity was very evident when we started this whole journey because of course we do had multiple MDM solutions in the past. We did had a lot of Excels roaming around on the sites, and all this now becomes centralized. So my IT was quite happy, especially my IT and engineers team. That was the major area of efficiency and productivity. The second side where operations teams was been very supportive, or maybe I can say they was very happy about it because the amount of proactiveness came out after we deployed the solution was because we were able to track, we were able to identify the battery levels, we were able to identify where the devices are, locations are, and how we can manage. I must say earlier there was like we used to take 5 to 7 minutes, or now it's like 3 to 4 minutes to get the device enrolled. So that's where I think between 30 to 35% the measurement I can give you at this moment that we have increased our efficiency and productivity towards the mobile device management. So we started the journey in terms of making sure that the product is competent of our requirements. That's what our first phase. The second phase was making sure, and we start with our IT team first, where we have rolled out the solution, and that's where Hexnode helped us, providing us some free POC trials as well. We do have a lot of projects across multiple areas of the business, so we didn't want to roll out across the business right away. So we started with a department. So we picked up 3 departments. We've gone with 100 licenses first. We have evaluated it, made sure the reports are done well, and then after that we rolled out to all our business users. So I think we started from 12 to 50 to 100, and now we are at 3,000 plus. Yeah, I must say it was a great working with the team, and it was actually more comfortable than I have expected in the beginning because of a lot of things which I have already covered in the story in terms of how we have adopted the product, how we have implemented to the larger sites and the smaller sites, how the support from a technical side in terms of whether it was a policy management to the device enrollment. I think the team was always been there, and I must say that's one of the reasons I think the experience was really good. And yeah, we are happy over there because we made sure that what we have targeted and it was within the budget. So great, that's my experience overall. Thank you.